We live. Hey, we live. We got Assassin in this bitch. Yeah. We got my cousin Ghost in this bitch.
What's good with you?
You know what? Yeah, man, YouTube, Facebook. We just off this little bottle. You know, it's always something to do with alcohol. They got a nigga fucked up on camera doing some fucked up shit. But we gonna get into this freestyle session, talk shit. Hey, I'm gonna let my nigga Assassin say what's on his mind, but we got next.
Hey, peep this here.
And it goes a little something like this.
Make it all happen. That's what a nigga do. You got a problem with me, shit, I'll feed your crew. They say the nigga's all about his money, that's what he is. Niggas really got a problem talking about my biz. Niggas acting like they want it, they don't want it, and I get it in, nigga. You will see me so that if you wanna see me low, you can see me get that money. I don't give a fuck about you niggas, cause you're straight dummies. I ain't trying to make the same mistakes. Matter of fact, you a bitch, testify for the state. If I catch a nigga, see him, I'ma see him at his weight. Cause most of you Tonys is fake. Y'all get 8, I'ma show you how the game go. Never play with lame-os. If you really wanna see the thing, whistle thing blow. I can get it back and I'ma get it in. The Midwest running back, I'm running through twins. You can see a nigga get it though. This is how I stack cheese. In the sky, you can see him on two jet skis. Fly to the city, niggas know that I'm the shit. Every time I step in the booth, you know I bust shit.
I'm not tripping, you can see the yacht skipping. Boy, I'm that much of a difference. Yeah, nigga, I'm that different. Nigga, tell that nigga stop pimping. Stop pimping that nigga, cause I started pimping. I got money, nigga, so I'ma get it. Bitches looking at me like that nigga big business. Cause I'm a big businessman. I got a lot of money, got a big business plan. I fuck with my fam, I fuck with Swag Hop. Niggas got tripping. Fuck Swag Glocks.
What?
Niggas dad shot, mom shot, pop shot, everybody got shot. And we hotter than the usual. Do niggas so critical, do it though.
Okay.
Fuck flood waters, kill a nigga, my auntie and they daughters.
Woo! You in the red mud, hell yeah, fuck a grudge, run up on me, nigga. For sure, nigga, bound to plug, yeah, I be that thug nigga. Ex-damn drug dealer, I don't give a fuck, hell, plug it to all you niggas. Swag Hop in this bitch, 2010, 2011 for sure, that's when the show begins. We off that motherfucking gin, we bound to sin. Y'all run up for show, nigga, let me say this shit again. This how we do shit. Prove shit, do shit, run up on me for show, nigga, I'm bound to shoot shit. I don't give a fuck, MOB every day, making money, major way, nigga, how you say it? Yeah, Swag Hop be the next generation. Y'all niggas debating, y'all can steady waste shit. Nigga, this Oasis, from a different galaxy, run up on me for show, nigga, see the board come out of me.
Hey,
pop shot,
the team down with
cock
them.
block.
What?
Run up, nigga.
What?
Better call the cops.
What?
Told you first.
What?
Easy money, hard time, nigga. Quit your thirst.
Quit your thirst.
This be the last.
Easy money,
this
get
be
money.
The first. Tell you like this, have your ass in the dirt. And I'm gonna say it for the last time. Yeah, we be up on the grind. Mr. Google me, nigga, with my golden eye.
Easy money,
Let
get
me
money.
get a piece of this beat. Tired of niggas acting like they want to flow in the street. Plus my lyrics discreet. Niggas get hit with the chopper for a couple of weeks. Y'all's going to sleep. Mastered down on asking questions by the assassin. They say his flow is killing these niggas, I'm everlasting. Wanna meet Satan, your skin baking, I'm lasting. Niggas got mad cause the chopper just kept blasting. I'ma go harder than the next man, taller than the text man. They say I'm kinda small, but I be taller than the next man. I got a nice plan. Y'all niggas ain't nice, man. I will treat you like bitches, cause most of y'all is not my fam. I'ma show you game though, nigga.